Arjav and today I'm going to show you how to reassemble a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It has corners, 8 corners, and there is some inner structure which is used to hold the shape up. Wait a minute. Do you see something is missing? Yes, this cube isn't disassembled yet. Give me a minute. Yes, much better, right? So you will see there are some pieces like this. These are the inner parts. There are total 12 of them. Oops, I missed one. Yeah. Let's keep them aside. And these are the 8 corners. And this is the core. It is a little bit roundish, right? So, now I will first tell you what needs to be assembled first. The inner parts or the corners. First, the inner parts shall be assembled. So, I will give you an example. First, hold your core and then take one inner piece and try to take it and adjust it until it snaps to its place, like this. I will show you it once more. Take an inner piece, make sure that it's like this and it's facing like this. Then take it between 2 center parts like this and make them snap back to the place. So this is how you are going to do. There will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you have to do them like this. Now we will assemble all of these inner pieces. It takes a little while and pieces might be coming out a little because it's a little tricky the way it is done. So as I told you, there will be 4 over here. I have already assembled 3 and this is the 4th one. Now I will do the middle part, the middle 4. Like this. You can also take these 2 parts and put them over like this and try to make them cross it, or if it's not happening, I think you will have to go with this, the way I am doing, like this. Make sure that they are snapped in tightly and nicely, or they can stick and pop up in your hands a lot. If you are having difficulties that these pieces are coming out, then keep them, hold them up and then try to assemble like this. There's one more. And we are done with the middle part. So 4 of them are left for these pieces. So as I told you in the beginning, put 2 of them in put one in between the 2 center parts and then make it snap up. Sometimes you will see this sort of spring coming up, down. So you can hold it up with your thumb and then you can try to do this. And last one, and we'll have the ball of inner pieces ready. Look at this. And it goes away and flies off to the out of the table. So now let's get to the corner pieces. Before I show you how to assemble corner pieces into the ball, I will show you how the structure of the corners is made, because sometimes your corner can also pop out like this. You will have a part like this. It can be of any size and any shape, but it fits between all these 3 parts. And there will be 3 parts like this. So you have to align them. Before aligning, I recommend you to put this part. Oh, I think I have put that wrongly. No, I was right. Yes. Now try doing this. So take one part that will go below. Take the part which has this middle gap, and the middle gap will make it stick up and go with this part. And do the same thing with this piece of corner. And make sure that the pointed one is matching like this. Like this. And now let's start reassembling the 2x2. So we had this ball, and now we will one by one assemble all the corner pieces, aligning them with the colors. So this is white. So I'll take a white and orange over here. So I'll take white and orange. Let's look. Yes, here they are. So I will align the orange color and white color like this. And if there is something like this, then you can push and it will snap back to its place. Now search for more white. So I've got all the whites. White, blue. This has white, blue. Okay. Look, there is something like this again. So as I told you, try to push it back and it will snap back to its place. Now align white and red, which is the last one. Oh. If that happens, you can put the corner back to its place. And if there is something like this, try to push it using your finger. And look, now we have a nice 1x2x2 floppy. Just kidding, we are just assembling our 2x2. Okay, now we will look for yellow corners, because that's the only color left. Yes, 4 yellow corners. So we will align and match them up. Red and blue. So yellow, red and blue. Red like this and blue like this. So yellow will go over here. It's a little bit difficult now because you have already done it with white. So you'll have to apply a bit of pressure and don't allow these naughty and cheeky inner pieces to mess us up. There we go. Okay, I fixed the inner piece. Now blue, yellow and blue. So we will match it. As it has happened once before, I'm going to show you this can happen, that the inner piece has moved. So just try to align it, and once it's aligned, it will snap back. Now we have only 2 corners left. So yellow and red, yellow and orange with yellow and orange. So if it's tricky, I think you can pull it a little and then do it. There. Now I think when I was showing you how that does that happen, I thought I put the color scheme wrongly. This happens with me a lot of times, and it can happen with you too. So I just have to swap these 2 pieces, red and green ones, and it's normal again. So the last one is the hardest to insert. It takes a little bit of time, but it's not impossible, right? So I will align yellow and red. Okay, so we are done. We have this inner piece misplaced, so I will use my finger, and there you go, you have it reassembled. You can use it now normally like any 2x2. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.